Raw power begins here. Hardox steel, the backbone of a heavy-duty Titan, awaits its transformation.
Unyielding force. A multi-ton press manipulates the super-hard steel, forging the indestructible shell of the mixer drum.
Lethal precision. Blinding blue fire carves the complex segments of the drum with surgical accuracy. Automated fusion. Robots weave an unbreakable bond, merging segments into a monolithic structure. A helix descends. A complex maze of spiral blades is meticulously inserted, the hidden architecture of perfect concrete mixing. Microscopic perfection. Within the belly of the beast, a master welds the architecture that will violently churn 40 tons of concrete.
Microscopic acoustic scans. We guarantee every rib is structurally invincible before the first payload.
The final fusion. The monstrous drum is mated to its organs of power, preparing to move mountains of concrete.
Catastrophic simulations. We push the massive hydraulic core to 650 bar, forging an invincible circulation system for unrelenting duty.
The Titan is sealed. A monolithic concrete churning beast, waiting to be unleashed upon the earth.
The merger of giants. The invincible Hardox drum is mated to its multi-axle chassis, transforming raw steel into mobilized power.
Unrelenting force. A master mechanic secures the primary pivot points, ensuring the 40-ton drum will spin without flinching.
Forging the veins of motion. Catastrophic hydraulic systems are linked, providing unrelenting torque to churn 40 tons of payload.
The digital nerve center. Ruggedized controls are integrated, granting the operator absolute command over concrete consistency.
Precision delivery. The armored discharge apparatus is fused to the rear, engineered for rapid, devastating concrete deployment.
The Titan awakens. Catastrophic rotational testing begins, pushing the hydraulic drivetrain to its unrelenting limit. Armor of visibility. Coated in industrial yellow, the heavy-duty concrete mixer receives its signature shell of operational readiness.
Deployment imminent. The completed 40-ton Titan breaches the factory gates, ready for the abyss of the mega project.
Into the abyss. Churning through extreme torque, the heavy-duty mixer enters the battlefield of global infrastructure.
Built to conquer the impossible. Churning through impossible torque, the heavy-duty Titan dominates the foundation of the...
Under the cover of darkness, a relentless convoy of Titans mobilizes. A continuous, catastrophic...
The Titan aligns with the boom pump, a brutal mechanical mating to force thousands of tons of liquid stone into the sky.
The catastrophic discharge is triggered. The invincible drum reverses its spin, weaponizing its internal architecture to expel the heavy payload.
Inside the belly, the steel helix violently forces 40 tons of liquid mountain toward the exit, engineered for uncompromised...
An avalanche of liquid stone crashes into the pump's hopper, the raw material of human ambition, ready to be weaponized against gravity. 700 bar hydraulic pressure awakens. Twin steel pistons violently hammer the liquid rock, forcing it up a 60-meter vertical artery. At the front line, human muscle wrestles the violent, thrashing discharge. The foundation of a megastructure is forged in chaos and heavy industry.
A relentless, mechanized ballet. Dozens of Titans feed the colossal pour in a continuous cycle.
Post-deployment decontamination. Blinding high-pressure water violently strips the hardening shell, preserving the Titan's armor for the next battle. The megapore is complete. The empty, battle-scarred Titan rests. An uncompromising monument of heavy-duty...
Even Titans require resurrection. The battle-scarred Leviathan enters the overhaul bay to be purged of its fossilized burdens.
A subterranean war zone. The technician violently chips away tons of petrified concrete, fighting an
uncompromising brute force. Pneumatic artillery violently shatters the petrified crust, liberating the suffocated steel architecture beneath.
The Purge. Hundreds of pounds of shattered shrapnel are violently extracted, leaving the cavernous steel belly exposed.
Microscopic damage assessment. Relentless abrasion has cannibalized the steel. The lethal architecture must be rebuilt. Amputating the weak. A blinding plasma inferno violently slices away the dead steel, preparing the helix for fresh armor.
Forging the new edge. Fresh Hardox armor is violently welded to the helix, restoring the drum's devastating capability to churn liquid mountain.
Renewing the mechanical joints. Catastrophic pressure grease violently purges the heavy-duty rollers, ensuring an uncompromising, frictionless spin.
Purged, rebuilt, resurrected. The heavy Titan returns to the light, fully weaponized to conquer the next.
When the front line shifts to the edge of the world, specialized all-wheel drive Titans are loaded with devastating fiber-reinforced liquid stone.
Catastrophic torque vectoring. Heavy-duty differentials violently lock, forging an unbreakable mechanical bond to all 6 wheels.
Fighting catastrophic gravity in hostile terrain, the off-road Predator brutally claws its way up the mountain, carrying 40 tons of relentless payload.
Inside the command vault, brute physical force wrestles with shifting liquid momentum. A microsecond of hesitation means catastrophic failure. Descending into the abyss, the armored Leviathan breaches the subterranean front line, where standard machines would instantly perish. Claustrophobic warfare. The monolithic Hardox drum violently scrapes the unyielding rock, its armor tested against the crushing embrace of the earth.
Deep Earth deployment. The Titan violently discharges its payload into a shotcrete cannon, spraying liquid armor to prevent catastrophic tunnel collapse.
Subjected to the absolute zero of the Arctic, thermal armor violently defends the liquid payload from freezing solid in its belly.
Thermodynamic defiance. The belly of the beast burns with chemical heat, violently churning the superheated concrete against the freezing apocalypse.
No terrain too hostile. No environment too brutal. The ultimate, uncompromising.
The feeding ground. Towering silos of raw earth stand ready to inject life into the empty, waiting Titans.
Positioned beneath the monolithic hopper, the Leviathan opens its maw, ready to consume a catastrophic payload.
An avalanche of pulverized mountain violently descends. Thousands of pounds of jagged aggregate strike the hardened steel funnel. The binding agent is unleashed. A catastrophic blast of ultrafine cement powder suffocates. The catalyst is injected. High-pressure water violently crashes into the dry abyss, igniting the violent chemical reaction.
The Titan agonizes. Massive steeples violently compresses, absorbing the sudden, crushing...
Staring into the violently churning abyss, the monolithic Hardox blades force the raw earth into a relentless, perfect homogenization. Aggressive decontamination. Blinding high-pressure water violently purges the loading maw, ensuring the armor remains uncompromised.
Fully charged, the 40-ton Titan violently breaches the feeding ground, a rolling thermodynamic reactor heading for the front line. Before the pour, the 40-ton payload faces the ultimate trial. The strict gatekeepers of structural integrity demand absolute perfection. A sample of the liquid mountain is violently extracted. The fate of the entire batch rests on this microscopic fraction.
Brute physical compaction. The inspector violently rods the sample, purging microscopic air voids to reveal the true consistency of the payload.
The cone is breached. Gravity violently asserts its dominance, forcing the liquid stone to collapse into the fatal slump.
Catastrophic failure. The mixture is too rigid. The 40-ton payload is rejected, threatening to fossilize within the belly of the Titan.
You have no right to interfere with this project.
The truck is fine!
It failed the inspection. I'm shutting it down.
Chemical intervention. Lethal superelasticizers are violently injected into the abyss, engineered to forcefully manipulate the maximum catastrophic RPM. The Titan violently churns the chemical catalyst, its entire monolithic chassis shaking under the immense rotational violence.
The Titan is unleashed. With its chemical payload perfected, the heavy-duty Predator charges violently into the abyss to forge the future. At the end of a brutal lifespan, the Titan arrives at the mechanized graveyard.
Catastrophic dismantling. Gargantuan hydraulic jaws violently crush the invincible Hardox shell, executing the dying beast with absolute mechanical prejudice. The belly of the beast is severed. A monolithic tomb of petrified rock crashes to the earth, returning to the dirt it once conquered. The Titan's spine is amputated. A blinding thermal inferno melts through the heavy-duty chassis, reducing magnetic resurrection. Tons of jagged, shattered armor are violently pulled from the wreckage, gathered for the ultimate thermodynamic purge.
Into the mechanical maw. The indestructible core into a violently fed to a minute violence.
The ultimate thermodynamic purge. The shredded remains of the Titan are violently hurled into a 3,000-degree electric inferno. Total molecular annihilation. The battle-scarred steel violently dissolves into a liquid sun, purged of its past.
Rebirth. Pure and raw, ready to be forged into the impenetrable heart.
The brutal cycle of heavy industry is eternal. From the ashes of the old Titan, a new predator is forged, hungry for the abyss.